guys, for a 2008 Jeep Wrangler JKU. Put an aftermarket transmission cooler on her. So what you want to do is, their video doesn't really explain too much about the brackets. I'll get into that. So what I do is I pop all these off. So there's 3 of them. And you pop the 2 sides off. Alright. And then you're going to mount over here and then down here, right here and over here, and I'll explain that later. And then this is just your temperature sensor. You just pop that off, and all you need is just one of these things right here, just a clip popper. Obviously you take your grill off. I want to show you are the brackets. Their video do not really clarify how these things really go on. So they go on like this, if you guys can see that. So there's the logo, right here's your inlet and outlets. Okay, so anyways, that's how they go on. Right there's your top L bracket. The video doesn't really show you that, and then once it's in place I will show you that process. So here's the final install, guys. Alright, so I'm going to show you the lines first. Alright, if you guys can see them. Okay, so I don't think you can do this in reverse in the transmission cooler. I think it's all about using the correct transmission line right off the get-go, which they tell you to use the top one right here, and that's the same one I used in my wife's. Alright, so this line here, this elbow that goes towards the side of the Jeep, that is my upper hose. This right here that goes toward the line towards the engine is actually my lower hose connection. That's how I connected those. But like I said, I don't think you can really reverse those. I think it's more just your preference. All right, now onto the top here. All right, so they give you plenty of hose now to do what I just did to this one, which is different from my wife's JKU. Okay, they give you plenty of hose to where you can actually install this by missing your temperature sensor. You miss the center pin for your grill, and right here's your latch, and that right there, my friends, is the latch. It's kind of hard to get a good shot on where it lands. I think you see that it's almost halfway in between those 2 bolts and halfway in the bolt, I guess you would say. That's how far down it comes. So it doesn't even come close to this. Not even, like, I'm pressing on it, not even close. Okay, and this is the ride height that I have previously had on my Jeep, so it's perfect. No issues. All right, if you're wondering what this piece is, the previous owner installed this is like an extra hold down, so the pin or your latch will actually latch to the bottom of this, and you need something to kind of like go through your grill and push it off the way. I don't really need it, so I'm not concerned about it. So we're good as far as that. By doing this, you retain all your connection points except for this one on the inside. You lose this, you can't really, I mean, you could probably force it and make it work, but I'm not forcing it. It's out of the way, so you ain't got nothing to worry about anyways. You know what I mean? All right, so, and we're doing so, you don't even have to take these off. These lines go perfectly through here. All you do is cut the notch out, run your lines, and you're good to go. So like I said, by doing it this way, it is so much better. And I already test fitted the grill. The grill fits in perfect. You know, it's just a little cumbersome due to the winch on the front, but it's okay. So everything's tight and everything's in. All I did was drill this so you can see the original, the hole that they want you to use, to the one I used. Well, actually I made it. So yeah, so that's the Mishimoto trans cooler right there. And you guys have any questions, please ask.